Now with this video, it was just AJ and myself, and of course we utilized Mom to help us with the footage. This is when I was first getting him involved with doing photo shoots, and he was actually taking some behind the scenes picture. So as you look at this video, you'll see him working with the camera, and he's actually all over the place. I mean, one minute he was behind us, and the next minute he was over to the side, and then I looked up and I saw him up at the top of this waterfall that we were working on. And I'm thinking to myself, how the heck did he get up there? Now, one of the things that's real interesting about this video, that I really enjoyed about this video, is that it kind of shows the raw form. So when you look at the pictures, you know, we're into this new thing of shoots to print. To see the actual shoot and then see the end result is it's something else. So, you know, photographers, if you're not editing, if you're not being creative, that's something that maybe you should look into, because it can take an average picture and just make it incredible. None of the equipment that I used in this video is what I use today. And the quality is just so much better. I mean, even your cell phone is better than this quality. And I think this was like back in either 14 or 15, which was several years ago. Now, taking a closer look at this, I think the camera that I was using was a Canon 7D, which has been long retired, and the light that I was using was an Alien B. I love that light. I still love that light to this day. If you notice on the light, there's a battery hanging down from it. That's like, it still works, but that's like old. I don't know if there are very many people using that today. You can get a monolight with a battery attached, with a trigger that's all in one, and it's even high speed